Hey guys, it's a beautiful day and today I would like to show you SOS French Manicure Dip Powder System. This kit also has step-by-step on the back, and on the side you can see the list of the products this kit contains. Let's prepare the products and pour the white powder into the dipping mold. Let's first push back the cuticles. Now shape the natural nail by using the file side of the file 180. And gently remove the shine on the natural nail with the buffer side. Wipe off the nail dust and clean the nail. It's time to apply Glamlac Dip Prep to the whole nail. After that, apply thin layer of Glamlac Dip LED UV base coat over the nail plate and the edge of the nail. And let it dry under LED lamp 30 seconds. It's time to apply second layer of Dip LED UV base coat in a normal application over the nail plate and the edge of the nail. Straight the finger, and now it's time to use Glamlac dipping mold filled with white dipping powder. Slowly slide the finger forward to get the desired length of the French curved line on nail. Tap off the excess powder after every dip. Now it's time to use clear pink powder. Using the scoop side of the cuticle pusher, cover the rest of the nail plate with clear pink powder and tap off the excess powder. And replace fingers under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Brush off the excess powder. Now it's time to repeat the process. Apply thin layer of Glamlac Dip LED UV base coat over the nail plate and the edge of the nail. Straight the finger, and now it's time to use Glamlac dipping mold filled with white dipping powder. Cover the rest of the nail plate with clear pink powder and tap off the excess powder. And replace fingers under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Brush off the excess powder. Not so long anymore. Apply Glamlac Dip LED UV top coat and apply fingers under the LED lamp 30 seconds. If you feel that you need to use buffer or foil before applying top coat, feel free. Just make sure you brush off all the residues before applying the top coat. And let's treat our cuticles. Apply Glamlac cuticle oil to the cuticles and massage upward. Dipping powder has a lot of options to cover full nail and has available amazing colors to brighten up your day. Thank you for watching.